FICM 5. P0611. Fuel Injector Control Module, FICM, performance problem, engine may not. High severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Your car is telling you it's not okay. Believe it. First, the symptoms. Engine will not start or difficult to start, rough idle or stalling, loss of engine power or acceleration, check engine light illuminated with P0611 code, possible fuel smell or white smoke from exhaust. Now the most likely causes. Faulty or failed fuel injector control module, FICM. FICM connector corrosion or loose connection. Damaged FICM wiring harness. Low or unstable battery voltage. Failed fuel injectors affecting module feedback. What does it cost? Roughly €180 to €420 doing it yourself, or €300 to €540 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Inspect and clean FICM connector and harness. Replace if corroded. Check battery condition and charge system. Replace battery if voltage unstable. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, will P0611 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0611 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score, and every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0611. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.